Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get more FPS in Roblox. First, open Roblox and log into your account. While playing a game, go to the graphics section in the game and lower the graphics settings. These settings are different for different games, so you have to find the settings yourself. Next, close any apps or programs you are not using on your computer. This frees up memory and processing power for Roblox. You can check your taskbar or use Task Manager to end programs that take up a lot of resources. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A wired connection is usually better than Wi-Fi for smoother gameplay. If you use Wi-Fi, try playing closer to your router to reduce lag. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version. This can improve performance in Roblox and other games. You can check for updates on the website of your graphics card brand. Finally, restart your computer before playing. This clears temporary files and resets processes that may slow your system down. By lowering graphics, closing unused programs, having a stable connection, updating drivers, and restarting before you play, you can get higher FPS in Roblox and make the game feel smoother. Thanks for watching.